Welcome back to Atomic Wheels. Our customer Jimmy came to us with a sleek obsidian gray Cybertruck, and we made it even more jaw-dropping. Let's dive into his experience. Can you introduce yourself and tell us about your Cybertruck?
My name is Jimmy. I do consulting, and I was just looking for a bigger vehicle in general. Previous car was also a Tesla. The moment I test drove the Cybertruck, it was match made in heaven for me within the first 5 minutes of it.
Why did you choose Atomic Wheels over other brands?
I'm usually a function over form type of guy, but with Atomic Wheels, looking at their prices and also the weight reduction of their forged aluminum wheels, it was a no-brainer. I didn't have to pick one or the other.
What was the experience like working with Atomic Wheels?
Everything was great. From the moment I sent an email to inquire, Santiago responded very quickly, and then after numerous follow-ups, I decided to swing by their shop. Met Ricardo, he answered all my questions and he was able to show me all my options, and then we just went from there, and then eventually I picked something soon afterwards.
Each of our clients enjoys the freedom to select wheels that match their style. Discover hundreds of exclusive designs in our warehouse. Scan the QR to explore. How did the AWX wheels change the look or feel of your truck?
They're very light. The factory wheels are about 7-8 pounds more, so just driving around town, not even just getting on the highway, you could tell turning was easier, just less bone jarring of a ride on the stiff suspension, slightly better feel or efficiency in general.
Would you recommend the Atomic Wheels to other Cybertruck or EV owners?
Yeah, I'd say I'd recommend Atomic Wheels. From the pre and post sale, customer service was excellent. Actually, on the way here, I met another Cybertruck owner, and I was telling him about Atomic Wheels, and he said he'd reach out to you guys.
Any final thoughts about your experience with Atomic Wheels?
I'd say this is the best wheel purchase experience I've ever had. From the moment I reached out to Santiago to dealing with and then conversating with Ricardo and his staff, everybody was pleasant to talk to. I came to their warehouse, everything was very organized, and you could tell how a business is run, is how their place is set up. And the moment I had any questions afterwards, they, without hesitation, responded right away. And then they even gave me pointers to the wheel installer to have everything mounted with no issues. And they even told me that if the wheel installer had any issues, then reach out to them. They'll talk to the wheel installer directly. So I really appreciated that. In addition to them just having a professional videographer and doing a photo shoot and everything else in between, like we're doing right now. So overall, the experience, it's the best I've ever had in general for buying wheels. And I bought way too many wheels, so that says something.
If you've made it this far, welcome to the Atomic family. Drop a like, don't forget to hit subscribe, and let us know your thoughts down below to help us keep pushing out the builds and stories you love. We've got a lot more coming your way, so stay tuned. Grab your next set at atomicwheels.com, and don't forget to use promo code YTAtomic10 for 10% off.